Alright, now we're going to look at lights in After Effects. First thing we need to do is start out with a composition. Up at the top, I'm just going to go to Layer, New, Solid. I'll use 1920 by 1080 and hit OK. Then what I'll do is make another layer. Go to Text, type in Lights. Grab that with my black arrow, move it over. And if I want this a different color, go down to Character, choose a different color. Let's go with that same type of gray, just a little bit lighter. There we go. So I got light gray on gray. Now, if I go over here to one view, I can go to two views horizontal. And on this side, I'll click on it and I want top. And on this side, I want active camera. Now they look the same. Until I go like this. 3D, 3D. So now these elements are 3D and I'm now in the top view. And I can push them back and forth in Z space. Okay, I also want a camera. So I'll click here. I'll click on this side. Go to Layer, New, Camera. Now if I choose a 50mm, it's going to be way out. But I'm just going to use that anyway. Just so I can show you how to get to the camera in case you ever want to. Let's go here to Unified Camera Tool. Just by hitting C, I can get to the zoom in and zoom out of it in the top view. C a couple more times allows me to pan. So I can zoom and pan. Just by hitting C, I get these icons. And the two icons I use the most is this one and this one right here. You can also get to them here. Okay, so I'm going to go to the lights layer, which is text. I'm going to pull the text off the background. Here's my background. Use the black arrow for this. Alright, now let's add a light to the scene. Let's go to Layer, New, Light. We'll go to Spotlight. Okay, Spotlight got added. And I can put this at a different area. You can see that it has a couple dots here. A dot has a little widget. And you can use the transform to rotate it. Okay, you can also rotate it like this. Perfect. Now, you can also turn on a few properties. We'll just look at one of the most popular properties for a light is what? Shadows. So go down here, and where it says Cast Shadows, turn it on, but no shadows appear. Well, the element light needs also to be able to cast shadows. So if you go to material options, and turn cast shadows on, you now have shadows. Perfect. Okay, so that's the basics of lights. Let's move on.